Hi everybody, I'm Magical Maiden and welcome to my jewelry tutorials. So today I'm not doing a tutorial, I just wanted to show you with some of the last things I made on my jewelry tutorial playlist, which were these medium sequence earrings. This is how big they are. Now you can use smaller sequence earrings, and I was working on that before my cat Rudy died, and as most of you remember him always on, and it's been hard for me to come on and do my jewelry tutorials because I miss him, and I didn't really feel like being in here because it reminds me of Rudy, because every time I come in this room and would be making jewelry and doing my tutorials or doing any kind of video, you can hear him meowing in the background on many of them, and you can hear me say Rudy, and he was always in here with me, and he liked to get in on the videos, and we'd pose so that I could make still pictures out of the videos. So if you're wondering why I would go, that's why. So I have a lot of jewelry ideas that I want to present, more jewelry tutorials coming. I just needed a bit of time for a break for me to be used to the fact that Rudy isn't here. Now I still have my other two cats, Salem and Magic, but they're different. They're very quiet. They kind of keep to themselves. You know, Rudy was different. He was my shadow. So it is really hard without him. It feels just weird. But the last things I made while Rudy was still around was these sequence earrings and this necklace. So I wanted you to come and see what it looked like on, and I really like it. Now this might be too big for some people, but I love it. It's a statement. It could be casual or fancy, and look at the way it shines in the light. And you can, again, you can make them with smaller sequins if you'd like. And this is the necklace that I made. I really like it as well, and I mixed it with the iridescent. So you can find the two jewelry tutorials for these earrings and this necklace on my jewelry tutorial playlist. It should be the last two videos that I made, I believe. You can go ahead and go there and check it out for yourself. And again, you know, my poor baby Rudy was sick. It was in his last stages of kidney failure. He had gotten really, really thin. That's why I opted not to put him in some of the videos, because he wasn't looking good. I wanted to. I had him here, but then I edited so that he wouldn't be in it, because he did look too skeletal. He was very, very thin. He was only 6 pounds. And Rudy was a big boy back in the day. He was a good 18, 19 pounds. And I had to put him on a diet, actually, when he was healthy. So the house has not been the same. And that's why, but I will continue making jewelry tutorials. I just wanted to let you know, and I wanted to show what this looked like on, because I did say I would do that. So as you can see, I really, really like these. I love the way the light hits it. So yeah, so if you're interested in those jewelry tutorials, be sure that you go check them out on my jewelry tutorial playlist where you're watching this one. And remember, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that and click the notification bell so you're notified when I upload my newest videos, especially my newest jewelry tutorials coming soon. I've also would like it if you share my videos with anyone that you think might be interested in creating some of my jewelry tutorials, as well as like my videos and comment, even if it's just to say hello or if you have any questions. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.